Trump's redistricting gamble backfires. Donald Trump's push to get Republican legislatures to redraw congressional maps mid-decade has run into challenges. Opposition includes losses in court, criticism from judges, hesitant GOP lawmakers, and counteractions from Democrats, even as a major ruling allowed a disputed Texas map to remain. A three-judge federal panel in El Paso found substantial evidence indicating the Texas congressional map was racially gerrymandered. The panel ordered Texas to revert to its earlier 2021 lines for the next federal election, and Texas Attorney General Ken Paxton said he would appeal. The U.S. Supreme Court, on an emergency application, allowed Texas to proceed with the Republican-drawn map while litigation is ongoing. This represents a short-term win for GOP strategists, as the map could potentially flip as many as 5 seats. In Utah, Judge Diana Gibson of the 3rd District turned down the legislature's Map C, saying it broke state redistricting rules and unduly favors Republicans. She adopted a corrective map proposed by the plaintiffs that offers Democrats a real shot at a seat in Utah. Indiana's Republican-led House advanced a Trump-endorsed proposal fragmenting Indianapolis into various districts, potentially putting 2 Democratic U.S. House members in jeopardy if it becomes law. Representative Ben Smaltz said the map and its language originated from the National Republican Redistricting Trust and suggested that mid-decade redistricting may be the new normal. Democratic leaders and voters in California voted for a state amendment to redraw congressional districts, prompting the Justice Department to sue to prevent the change. In response to Republicans seeking mid-decade benefits, Democrats have retaliated with legal action and ballot initiatives. The Supreme Court reinstated Texas's GOP congressional map that could shift as many as 5 House seats to Republicans. Opponents file Voting Rights Act and constitutional claims alleging racial discrimination or minority vote dilution, seek federal injunctions, and push for court-drawn remedial or prior maps. Where plaintiffs won in trial courts, including the initial Texas ruling, and in Utah, courts mandated remedial lines or provided temporary relief. When the Supreme Court stepped in, as with the emergency order allowing Texas's map to move forward, even minor seat shifts from new maps can influence which party controls the chamber, a president's agenda, federal oversight, and committee chair positions.